Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone brightness full but still dim. If you are using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to full your iPhone brightness, you see that your iPhone brightness is still dim, very dim. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So you have two different ways to fix this. So the very first way is that you just have to open your settings, go to general, then go to software update. Try to update your software. After updating your software, you have to simply go back. Then go to accessibility section. Now in accessibility, just select this display and text size option. And here you just have to scroll down and you will get an option of reduce wide point. So if you find it enabled, so you just have to disable this and your issue must have to be fixed. You can see that my phone brightness is now too much. So you can also increase, but it will not affect it. But there's the second way. If this doesn't work for you, so you have the only way. You just have to simply go back and go to the general section. Now in general, just scroll down and look for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset and then select reset all settings. Here you have to enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your phone settings, so it will fix your issue because sometimes you might have enabled or disabled any setting which caused this issue, so it will fix in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.